In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through, if you believe it's true.
Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I will be installing the shifter collar for my Rx8. Now the ones that come stock in the vehicle are plastic and they are known to go bad within time, and this is supposed to be lifetime because it's brass and it won't break or won't get damaged. So basically this is responsible for the feeling that you get here. You see how this is very sloppy right now? I can put it in and out very easily. That's because my collar underneath the shifter is getting worn out. So when I install the brass one, it should give me that strong feeling when I put the gear in and out. So right now, as you can see, it's very soft. I can change it. Once I install the collar, I'm going to get that hard feeling where I feel it going every gear in and out. It should be pretty straightforward. I'm just going to lift up the panel here, take off the gear, the plate under it, and then I should just install the collar. Yeah, I don't think it's going to be hard, so I'm going to put you guys on time lapse. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, drop in the comments below.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through, if you believe it's true. Baby, won't you let the light shine through, for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through. In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through, if you believe it's true. Baby, won't you let the light shine through, for you, 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 for you.
My phone died and I just wrapped up everything, but to be honest, I'm not gonna lie and say it feels better. It's actually giving me problems. I can go first, second, third, fourth, fifth I'm getting locked, sixth I'm getting locked. I gotta push it down a little bit and go. There, I can go 5, 6, 4 unlocked. Push the clutch in. Unlocked. And the worst part is I threw the other piece down there, so I can't really reuse it. I'm pretty much screwed up now because the gears are locking out on me. And I threw my old part. Or not threw it, but it's damaged now because I kind of melted it to take it off. But I'm not sure if I installed it wrong, but I don't see how else would it get installed, so see, I keep getting locked out of 5. Gotta push it down a little bit, go 6, come back, go 6, locked. This is fucking weird. Anyways, that's pretty much it for now until I figure out what's happening here. Keeps locking me out of 5 and 6 when I go in order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is locking me out now. Let's try this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 locked. There, 5. 6 is locked. That's screwed up. Well, until I figure out what the problem is, I don't suggest you guys replace yours. It could be it's just the way it is, or the way I installed it was wrong, which again I don't see how else would you install it. So there you have it, guys.